Good morning, everyone. We got my buddy Hector with us today. Check out his beautiful M3. What's up, bro? Good morning.
What's up, man? How are you?
Good. How's it going?
Good, bro.
You ready for today's adventure?
Let's go.
Oh, we'll go ahead and link up his Instagram on this up here and then on the description down below. But as you guys have seen this car on my channel, we have been modifying this vehicle ever since he got it. He got it a couple months ago. It's got a dine-in tune on there. Honestly, this thing is beautiful, and we're gonna head out to a very special location. We're gonna be heading out to RW Carbon in Anaheim. As you guys can see, he is missing a few components, and we're gonna go ahead and go take care of that for him. I'm gonna take the G80. I have his slip in there, so he's gonna go ahead and follow me. We're about an hour away, so guys, follow us, as this is gonna be a fun adventure. We're gonna go ahead and have some fun on the road. As you guys can tell, it's been a little cloudy, but the roads have been dry. It was raining last night, so let's have some fun. Let's go.
Stay in the left 4 lanes. In 7.7 miles, take...
Check out this beautiful M2 on the road, guys. It's really nice. All over there is X6M. Damn, that's a beautiful color. And it's a competition. And it's very nice. But right now we're about 25 minutes away from RW Carbon. So yeah, let's continue making our way out there. We've hit some traffic, so you know, it's a little unfortunate, and it's not traffic because there's accidents on the road. It's just because it's a Monday, and you know, this is how it is in Southern California. Peace. Honestly. Alright guys, so we made it. Honestly, traffic sucks, even though there's no accidents, but you know, we just want to go ahead and make sure that we got here safe. As you guys know, it is quite like an hour and a half away for us, but still, it's a drive that's definitely worth it. And you know, we made it to RW Carbon, so once Hector gets ready, we'll go inside, talk to these guys, and then we'll pick up what we need. Alright, thanks Corey. Alright, so we got Corey at RW Carbon. He's gonna go ahead and help us out. We're gonna go ahead and swap out the splitters like we talked about, and then in here I do have his brand new lip. So again, this is pretty exciting. Gonna go ahead and check out what they have inside. Alright guys, so have you been here before?
Nah, bro, it's first time.
Alright, so this is RW Carbon. Guys, in here they have a nice display of some of the parts that you guys can definitely pick up out here. They have a great staff that can definitely help you guys out with anything that you guys need. What's up, guys?
Yo.
How's it going? Sorry, surprise.
You're good.
So we're gonna go ahead and get the splitters. I went ahead and picked up the lip last week, like I said. We're gonna go ahead and complete the look. This is gonna be fun for sure. So again, I just showed up in here unannounced. I hope these guys don't mind. But again, if you guys are interested in any carbon fiber parts, hit them up. They have some of the best quality out in the industry. The fitment, honestly, I love the fitment. Highly recommend you guys.
Yeah. Let's check
What's
it
up,
out.
man?
Yeah.
Guys, so this belongs to the owner, Matt. He's got honestly a great color. It's got a lot of great carbon fiber on there. Just really completes the look. We definitely need more carbon fiber on the exterior, so stay tuned for that, guys. Definitely more mods coming along the way. Damn, that's beautiful. What do you think?
It's fucking beautiful.
Bro, you need a CS. That's what you need to get.
Yeah.
Right?
That's next, man.
Yeah. I like the CS style grill over here. It's very nice. Also with the driver assistance. Very nice package. Laser headlights as well. Alright guys, so this is the owner, Matt.
Yep.
What's up, Matt?
What's up?
He's got this beautiful 2023, and we were just talking about the screen right now. Like I said, the color's individual. The screen honestly just changes the whole perspective of the car and the interior. I mean, look at that, guys. It's like if you're watching a big screen TV in your car. You guys gotta love the color combination of the interior. Man, congrats.
Thanks.
So man, this thing is amazing.
Yeah, I don't think yours isn't touchscreen, is it?
It is, but
It's like so small.
Exactly.
Like,
No, this thing is a big screen right there. Oh, that thing's so nice. Alright guys, so I came to, just help out Hector, and I'm getting a few parts installed on the G80. So guys, stay tuned for that. This is gonna be pretty epic. Again, what a day. You just want to come out here, enjoy the drive, and then all of a sudden, boom, you're buying new parts. But honestly guys, I cannot wait for you guys to check out what I purchased for the G80. And guys, you guys need to follow this build as well. This thing looks amazing. I really do love the CS style grills, the CSL style grills, because that's what they are, and they look amazing. So guys, comment down below if I should do that next, or if I should just get the regular one slot grill, which honestly still complement the car. It would still switch up the lines. Alright guys, so honestly, here it is. I went ahead and I decided to go ahead and go with something else for the G80. Alright guys, so the G80 is up in the air right now. These guys are measuring everything, just double checking what we're going to be throwing on the car. And honestly, I want to show you guys, but I'd rather surprise you guys once everything is already installed and done. Again, thank you to RW Carbon for being able to fit me in, and Hector, thank you guys. You guys are amazing. If you guys need any carbon fiber parts, reach out to RW Carbon. These guys will take care of you. And if you guys are local to the Southern California area, they will also install parts for you. If you actually make the time and schedule an appointment, they'll take care of you guys. Damn, bro, looks amazing. Sheesh. Wow, tripping over here.
What a difference, man.
Oh yeah, now you're good to go.
So much fucking
I know. And luckily they also had slip low as well, so it honestly, the lip is also protected. So guys, this thing is amazing. The only thing is that the rest of the car looks dirty, but shame on you, Hector, but that's because of the rain. Just kidding. Damn guys, check this out. It's done. Check it out guys, this thing looks amazing. I can't wait till it's on the ground and show you guys what these guys just did. These guys just went ahead and transformed this car once again. This thing is just... Alright guys, I was not expecting to, record that much footage for you guys, and my battery died. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up on my phone. But man, this thing looks amazing. I really like to thank everybody at RW Carbon for really making this possible, for not just for me, but for Hector. They actually were able to fit us in last minute. So again, if you guys need any kind of carbon fiber modifications and installs, you guys reach out to RW Carbon. They'll take care of you guys. Oh man, can't wait. So we got the center carbon fiber trim done at RW Carbon, and also the side bumper rear trims that honestly needed to be done in carbon fiber. That thing looks amazing. The quality, the fitment, and the side skirt. Wow, these guys killed it. Ooh, damn. This thing is amazing. I love it. Thank you. Thank you, Corey. Appreciate you, bro. Damn. Woo. Hector's gonna go ahead and get one more goodie installed in his vehicle. As you guys saw already, the front lip looks amazing. Wow, installation looks, I'm speechless. It looks perfect. Very nice. He's got another goodie for the interior. I'm not gonna say what it is, but you guys might have an idea. Stay tuned for this. I know Hector's been thinking about these for a while, right? Damn, check out these toys. Thank you, appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Alright guys, so check this out. Honestly, this is amazing. Once again, thank you. Thank you, appreciate it. Again, thank you to everyone else at RW Carbon. You guys are amazing. John, Corey, Matt, everybody else. I didn't get your names, but thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys for taking care of us. Guys, they'll take care of you guys too. Hit them up. You guys are going to be very happy with the results. Very friendly. Damn, just check that out. I love it. Guys, honestly, this feels like a brand new car. After every single mod that you do, it really changes the whole perspective of the vehicle. You know, and I think that's another reason why I'm really enjoying doing the modifications at a slow rate. You know, I really get to enjoy the mod for a few days before I get into a new mod. And honestly, I'm very grateful for being able to do that with such great companies, you know, like IND, Keys Motorsports, Auto Technic, RW Carbon, EAS. Honestly, guys, these are the brands that I go with. You know, if you guys want something good, and if you guys want my honest opinion, these are the companies that I trust and you guys can trust as well. I'm definitely trying to go ahead and bring the rest of the crew along, you know, for certain things that I know that are out of my control, or possibly just because I want to get these guys the best possible performance. And that's what I'm all about. You know, I definitely want to make sure that everybody gets what they want. You know, it's not modding cars to my own taste, but being able to mod it to what you guys like. So again, it was very, very awesome to be able to stop by RW Carbon and then just get these modifications done on Hector's car and on my car as well. So huge shout out to them. Alright guys, so this is gonna be it for Hector. He's gonna go ahead and he's gonna split off. You know, he's got something else going on, but guys, I'm very excited about his new install. Actually, new installs. Alright, my boy. Dude, that thing is insane. He just went ahead and tuned that car. Man, once that thing catches grip, that thing is gone. Woo! Damn. Guys, we'll go ahead and link his Instagram. Right now it's on an E30 or E40 blend. So guys, you guys still know that this thing has a lot of potential. Thank you everyone for watching another vlog. Big shout out and special thanks to RW Carbon, Matt, Corey, John, and the entire staff. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are looking for aftermarket carbon fiber parts, reach out to RW Carbon. Their knowledgeable staff will help you achieve the look that you guys want or that you guys are looking for. Do me a favor and hit the like button, smash the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. Turn on your notifications, drop a comment down below. You guys are definitely helping me reach my goal. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. I cannot do it without you guys. You guys are a big support of the channel. You guys are the biggest motivation. So thank you guys so much for helping me out with that. Let me know what you guys think about the vlog, and I will see you guys next time.